Family, peace, 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 peace. I hope you guys are having such an amazing, wonderful day. Okay, so today we are heading to Dollar Tree and also to Lidl. Okay, so I catch you guys once we get there. But honey, get into the fit. Okay, get into this fit. Okay, let me see where I can put the phone. Okay, all right. So this is a pants. Well, pants. Okay, a two-piece suit. Okay, oh, child. Okay, where you going looking fancy? Okay. All right, so I'll catch you guys once we get there. Make sure you guys rocking out, believe in yourself. Keep on going, keep on growing, and keep on showing up for you. And with that being said, see ya. Okay, family, so we are at the Dollar Tree, and you know what? I was thinking, like, it's gonna be rather empty in here today because it's only after 8 o'clock, I think like 8:30 something. But honey, it's busy. Let's see what they got inside. Okay, so I believe these are new. Okay, these bowls and spoons, and this is ice cream bowls and 4 spoons. Okay, and they come in different colors. Look at that, how cute. Okay, these are so cute. Boom Bang Pow. Okay, very cute. 4th of July theme. Okay, and then they also have these cups right here. I think we seen these cups last time we wasn't here. And then also these smaller ones. Okay, really good, especially for a cookout and stuff. Honey, $1.25, you can't beat that. Okay, then they also have these bowls over here. These bowls are a little more sturdier, okay, than the ones over here. But these bowls over here, you get 4 bowls for $1.25. Not bad at all. Okay, then they have the little paper plates. Boom, bang, pow. Okay. And I need a little doggy. They also have these cups that will go with these bowls, or probably with these bowls, but either one. Okay, 4 pieces for $1.25. Okay, so they have these colorful ice cube trays right here, which are really cute. Okay, and a BPA free. Okay, they also have these headbands over here, which are really cute. Have some more over here. Okay, and you guys know, honey, I love the glasses. Okay, in fact, my daughter, I had got her these glasses. Okay, so they have these buckets over here, especially like for the park, the water park, in fact, also for the beach, okay, because they do have the shovels here. I told my youngest daughter that I would get her some buckets, and a part of me like, get the buckets now, but honey, I gotta make a trip to Lidl. Okay, so I'll probably most likely come back here tomorrow so I could get some of these buckets, but these buckets are so cute and fun. Okay, $1.25, not bad at all. Okay, they have the bubbles over here. Okay, bubble wine, 2 bubble wine sticks. Okay, and then they also have these egg-shaped chark. Oh, this is so cool. Look at this. Okay, chark shaped as an egg. Really cute. Love it. They also have these cups, okay, hats off, congrats, Greg, okay, and they come in different colors. Okay, so they have this light up jump rope, which is really cool. Who remember playing double dutch back in the day? Okay, this is really cool. And then they also have these little water guns right here, which is cool. I mean, $1.25. Okay, you talking about having fun? Okay, honey, you gotta have some fun. Okay, so they have these right here. Honey, I don't know what this is for. And I was looking, I was like, what is this for? Okay. But I guess it's for the plants. Don't give me the lion. Okay. If you know what this is for, let me know in the comments, okay? I'm guessing it's for the plants, okay? Or I want to say for the water hose, but honey, I don't want to start lying on here. Okay, so they have these fairy garden figurines over here, 2 piece. This is so cute, okay? And the tree, very cute. Look at the frogs. So I showed you guys this cleaning solution last time, awesome, but I guess this is a new one, okay, that they just incorporated in a line, okay, because this one is purple lavender, and I don't remember seeing this one last time. But honey, I will always say, you guys, these are so good. Right now in my toilet, I had 2 of these, very good. Okay, so they have this. I haven't seen this in here before. But honey, it just looked like it's gonna smell good. Okay. Now this one I have seen, and in fact I have used really good. And these wipes over here, they are really good. Okay, so I told you guys about these dryer sheets before, the honeysuckle. Very good, okay? Very good. Honey, I just had to take a sniff of it. Okay, so I showed you guys the bigger containers, well, storage thingamajigs. Okay, all right, they have the smaller ones, which is really good. Okay, this is really good, honey. You could bring this to like a picnic, okay, and in fact I was thinking about having a picnic with my children, but you could bring this with you to a picnic or shopping, okay. This could be your, you know, your little bag, okay, all right. Very good. And then they also have these smaller containers over here, okay, which is good. They also have these adjustable solid gel smoke out air fresheners, okay. So you have some neighbors that, you know, you always smelling the smoke and stuff like that, honey. You could come on down to the Dollar Tree, okay, and get you one of these and see how they work. Okay, so good. Okay, ice pop makers, honey, is finna be a scorching one. Okay, a scorching summer. So you wanna get one of these. Okay, get you some juice of your kind, of your choosing, and put the juice in here. Let your children do it. A fun, very fun experiment. Very good. And you get 6 of these for honey, $1.25. Okay, so they have more colors of the things, of these things right here. Okay, I showed you guys the blue ones, but they also come in black and gray. Okay, Dollar Tree got the luxury room mist. Okay, all right. Honey, go on and spray your room. Okay, so these are definitely new. Like, I haven't seen these the last time I was in here. Okay, and this is body wash gel. Okay, they come in lavender, lemon scented, and also eucalyptus. Okay, I've been seeing a lot of eucalyptus up in here. Okay, Dollar Tree. Okay, with the bathtub finger paint soap. Really good. Very good. How cute is this? Okay. Oh, this is so cute. Bath sponge. Okay, honey, you know what? I really came in here just to do a vlog, but you know what? I'm gonna get some of this stuff, okay? Let me get 2 of these. Look at this. Look at this, honey. 2 of these for my children. Magic Crackles. Okay, play and experiment in the tub to hear crackle sounds. Okay, I'm not gonna get those. And look at this, okay? 3 exfoliating sponges, okay? 3 of them for $1.25. But I'm gonna get my children one a piece of these, okay? I'm gonna get one of these because my grandbaby is at the house today. Okay, so she spent the night last night, so I'm gonna get one of these, and I'm gonna get her something so she could have a good old time in that bathtub today. Okay. Okay, so these brushes are definitely new. Okay, because last time I was here, honey, they didn't have these brushes. In fact, it was a lot of the stuff that was sold out in this section over here. Okay, so these brushes, and let me tell you something. Okay, I told you guys about this brush. I have this brush at home, and it is really, really good, especially if you're a natural. Okay, especially if you a natural, okay? If you natural like me, girl, okay? Mr. Andrew to the back room, please. And you know we got some kinks, okay? This brush is for you. Because you remember when you was a child, okay, and you probably was tender-headed, and they didn't care. They just would brush, and I mean just comb the naps out. And they would just do that, okay? Get you this brush right here. So good, honey. You will not be disappointed. Now this one, oh, this one feels sturdy too. Last time I said but this one I know because I have it. It's really good. Okay, so they have some new bonnets. Okay, last time I think they just had the orange ones, but this time they have the emerald, the green ones. Okay, so I was waiting for them to have these socks where I live, okay? Look, they have the Mountain Dew, the Minions, Jolly Rancher. Look at the cup of noodles. Okay, look at that. I didn't get into it. The Kool-Aid, the Sunny D, Eggo. Who remember the commercial for Eggo? Oscar Myers. Oh, look at this. Peas. Is it Peas? Okay. Chips Ahoy, Kool-Aid. Oh, child. I remember when I was a kid, right? It was one of my neighborhood friends, okay, and she lived downstairs from my grandmother. And I remember we would go to her house and she would have like tea. You remember the tea in a canister that come with the sugar and stuff already? But she would put the tea, make the tea and pour it in an ice tray. And looking at this, it reminds me of that Kool-Aid, okay? All right? Look at the Skippy. Oh, Teddy Green. Oh, child. Okay, Sunny D. Oh, Kung Fu Panda. Oh, child. So tempting to get some of these socks. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna get two pairs. I'm gonna get the Teddy. Look at this, honey. I wasn't even in here for. I'm gonna get one. I'm gonna just get one. Okay. They also have Part Tarts. Okay. Jolly Ranchers. Oh, chill. Okay. The marshmallows. Oh, nice. I'm just getting these. Okay. So they got the pride stuff going on. Stay true, stay you. Okay, honey, stay true and stay you and be you. Okay, all right. And then they also have the mini rainbow flags over here. Okay, also have the sunglasses, which are really, really cool. They also have some high knee socks. Okay. Oh, and this soda is good, honey. But you know what? We stand away from this, okay? Okay, so they have this right here. It is mason jar, okay? And I guess you put the candle there, and the candle, the smoke and stuff. It just comes from a battery. But this is nice. This is kind of cute, okay? Hey, look at these, okay? I remember going to Bath and Body Works, and I remember they used to sell these. I don't know if they still sell them, but most likely they probably do. Okay, but honey, you could come here and get these for $1.25. Now they come in different colors. This color and this is a darker brown look like, and then they also have the gray. Okay, and you could put like the candles and stuff up here, or some oil. I don't know where the oil would be. Okay, I was saying I don't know where the oil would be, and the oil is right here. Okay, let me see how this smells. Okay, so this one, it just says energy. Not bad, but that one ain't for me. That ain't for me. Let's see how this one smells. This one smells like frankincense a little bit. Okay. Smells like frankincense a little. Okay. All right. Move on to the next. Honey, you will. There's no excuse. There's no excuse, honey. 12 toothbrushes. You will never run out of toothbrushes. Okay? All right? 12. Wow, look at this. All right, let me go on and grab this. Okay, they have this lip gloss. My lip gloss is popping, and I ain't stopping. Okay, so they have these cream cleansers over here. Okay, they also have hydrating night cream. Okay, Dollar Tree. Okay. Oh, so they have these microfiber facial pads. Oh, child. Really, really good. Okay, they also have this vitamin C lotion. Okay. Let me know in the comments if you guys have tried this shade. Okay, so this is new. Okay, face mask. Freeman, this is really, really new. The watermelon, new. Okay, so I gotta get one of these because I don't have any more. Honey, and these rags are so, so good. So, so good. Let me get one of these. I can't put no more stuff in my bag because I'm going to Lidl. And I said, really, I wasn't even really supposed to be buying anything today from here. But the stuff just was calling me, okay? And I'm going to Lidl, so you know what, honey? I think this is about it. Okay. Okay, so I'm glad I had came back through the aisles. Look at this. Okay. These neon glow cups. Look at this. Okay. Wow, and you get 4 of these. All right. And these are good for house parties, birthday themes, night barbecue, camping, wet, and Halloween. So cute. Okay, so I'm gonna get one of these. Okay, let me see. Any, mini, miny, mo. Gold. We shall be taken. Okay, so we are checking out, honey, and it wasn't even really supposed to be a checkout. Okay, but let's just see how much this is. Okay, family, so that was not too shabby. Okay, I love you guys. Make sure you're rocking out, believing in yourself. Our total was $10.29, and I catch you guys on the next one. Peace.